traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how the market is going to be behaving and what are the key levels we need to look out for. So going forward, I think I would actually go ahead and give you the certain levels once the breakout occurs, so that you guys can actually keep a tab and see what can be the numbers that you can actually gun for. So for that, we need to go ahead and analyze the day-to-day chart and see what are the key levels. So it's very simple right now. We are on an uptrend, and a lot of bad news actually came into picture, but even with the bad news, I think that was already consolidated on the previous candles. So HDFC Bank already gave much of its gains over here, or else Nifty would have been way beyond far than whatever high it is making right now if HDFC would have joined the club. But today I think that is what is happening. So anything above this particular level over here, that would be the high for today. If we somehow gap up or open sideways and then move ahead, then I'm thinking another 500-point target is right on the card. So 36,000 is where some place is where we are going to pause for a bit, but on a larger time frame I see that it would be 36,500 and 36. So this 1,000 points are on the cards for us that we can grab. The only thing that needs to happen is that Bank Nifty opens above the previous high, or sideways on where it has actually closed, or even if it is gapping down, it should take a support at, let me just show you that level as well over here on the screen. So if it is gapping down, it needs to take a support over here at this level that we have marked down, and that level would be for us somewhere around 35,300. So once it takes a support there, then we are going to have another climb that can happen. So until and unless there is going to be no negative candle on a daily time frame, we are not going to be bearish. So with that, so these are the targets that I have. On the downside, I don't think I have much of an extension, but if we cut down 35,300 tomorrow, then we can look for a downside of until 35,000. So that 300 points are something that we can look at. But however, if we open the highs over here, then I think we are going to open ourselves into a very large picture, and that would be 36,500 that we can go after. Now, in terms of Nifty, Nifty, the trend line is getting steeper and steeper. But the most important number is that this guy is on an all-time high. Now with the Fibonacci retracement, a lot of you guys were actually talking to me about this over the weekend sessions that we had, that what are the levels that we could actually keep for Fibonacci. So I'm not considering today's date, but I'm just considering that we closed yesterday on whatever level we did. So the only Fibonacci number that I have over here where this can actually take a pause is somewhere around 15,816. So if we take out the level tomorrow, that would be somewhere around 15,600. Then these 200 points that we can see are going to be with us very fast. But until and unless Nifty does not cross below 15,522, there will be no downside targets. So if that happens, then the first downside target would be somewhere around 46 points, but thereafter it can actually go ahead and even correct until 15,353. But for now, you need to be very careful. The global market seems to be muted as of now, but we have to see how they are going to perform overnight. And because there are a lot of key events that are actually happening tomorrow, ITC is going to give results, and a lot of that is going to happen. So we need to keep a tab that tomorrow might be one last chance that we can see a recent all-time high. But what figures that Fibonacci gives us is somewhere around over here at 15,816. So let's see where the market heads. We are going to go ahead and be profitable as usual. So there is a link to a Telegram channel listed below, so you can join the Telegram channel and see how we have progressed so far. There are participants on our live trading forum earning 14,000, 20,000, 30,000. So a lot of that is actually happening. So if you want to join our live trading forum, visit www.rltrgroup.com, select one of the plans, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with this. So with that information, I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. Do take care of your loved ones. We'll see you once again. Love you all. Goodbye for now.